10x potential sale review of Crypto World by All About Crypto is here. So, in this video, we are going to talk about a Crypto World. The Crypto World is one of the best gaming platform, NFT and Wax blockchain game. Okay, and the sale of this project and this game is also going to be live tomorrow. When you see about the what is the project, when you see the Crypto World is NFT game developed by the Experience Group of Crypto established Wax blockchain, and the game feature the unique play to earn machine, and you can say the allow players to collect and execute and collect and the create themselves, and you can say the send advantages and different regions of the crypto world to collect resources and build your headquarters. Okay, when you see about this is one of the best project as I say, and this project have more potential to go 10-15x in the sale. Okay, after they sell the packs which has been the seed, so you can say the 10 and 15 is my target for this sale, and it can be definitely happen here. When you see about the what is the roadmap, you can say the website and trailer launch quarter 3 2021, quarter 4 2021 is 4S pack sale which has been tomorrow, and the quarter 4 2021 is advantage alpha release and is will also completing soon. When it's about that they have a big roadmap for the quarter 2 2022, and this is more than enough. Okay, when it's about you can see the trailer. Okay, this is a trailer, and this is trailer available on their official YouTube channel, and you can see there. When it's about the white paper, we can see have a look on the white paper, so you can understand the sale, public sale, pre-sale, and the pre-sale one. Okay, you have to hold the founders first, then you can participate in sale, and if you don't have anything, so you can participate in public sale. But you can say there the breeding means we now see the quarter 2 2022 the breeding is available and it will come, but after that you can say the babies like this, and it will generate this, it will breed and it will generate a new baby, so you can earn profit from this because this is a play to earn P2E game. And we have to understand this is a WAG blockchain game, so this have a collection on Atomic Hub. Okay, you can say they have a collection on Atomic Hub. If we go and view on market, so we can understand easily that they already have it traded, and they already successfully trading the NFTs in the market and Atomic Hub. We have to understand that this is one of the best project as I say, and they have a more potential because they already have so many NFTs live in their market Atomic Hub. When it's you have to hold this. Okay, you want the founders this one, you have to hold this for the participate in pre-sale, so you can get 10% discount from the others. Okay, when we see about the what sale happening, you can see the common egg, uncommon egg, and premium egg. The premium egg is very expensive, and the common and the uncommon is so little. Okay, when you see about the $15, $100, and $300. If you can participate in pre-sale, you can get $13, $90, and just for the $270. But you have to hold these founders. Okay, when you see these founders you have to hold, and this forest you have to hold for the second. But if you can't find hold anything, you can participate in public sale. But I know my subscribers can hold one means it's very cheap. Okay, just for the $1,000. So I know my subscriber invested $10,000, $15,000 in so many exchanges and project which has been recommended from me, so it can be very easy to invest $1,000 in this project. Okay, so you have to understand that. When you see about their Twitter account, you can see the 3,000. Okay, the 3,000 subscribers are already available. That means you can understand the project. Okay, because of WAG blockchain, the projects don't have so much following. Okay, they working on the what they are doing, but they don't have followers like other. Okay, so this is one of the best number. 3,000 is not going to be little. Okay, and when we see about, you can say you can participate in that after you will buy this. Okay, and if you can't buy this, then you can directly participate in public sale, and this available for you. When you see about the one of the best platform, and you can say website, when you see about the verify, you can say common, uncommon. Okay, you can say how you can get this common pets. Okay, you can say the forest, you can say this unforest, uncommon, all information available here. And you can say the legendary, how legendary looks, how they are working. You can say the mythic, and this is one of the best. If you got mythic, it can be easily sell to $30,000 to $40,000. Yes, I'm not joking. If you got the mythic, $30,000 to $40,000 you will definitely get. Okay, so you have to understand that if you participate in sale, and if you got mythic, you will earn more potential from others. So you have to understand that, and you have to invest in this sale, because this is one of the best tool I have researched, and all my subscribers know that if I got any project for you, that means they have a potential. That's why I'm making video on this. Okay, yes, this is a sponsored video, and I'll also have a giveaway for you, some packs, and I will let you know only if your response for this video is great. I will let you know, but you have to understand, you have to give me great response so I can think about to give you giveaways. Okay, so how to respond, how can say me response, comment down description what you think, what your opinion, you agree with my 5x 10x 15x formula. This can be happen in the future according to this sale. You can have to let me know. Okay, when you say what the one of the best I say, and when we talk about the Bitcoin price, okay, because the Bitcoin price is drop today, and so many people are so panic. Okay, so many panic about that. You can see the Ethereum here, Ethereum also down. BTC, when you see about the BTC and USDT, BTC also down. So in my previous video means tomorrow I made I say if it can't break here, so it can be bounced, but it break, and as I say it can be major support here, and after that here, and after that we can see the major support is here. Okay, and I don't think it can be come here. If you come here, you can this is a major opportunity to buy us. Okay, if you buy more altcoins, this means you will earn more profit, and when Bitcoin goes up, because I already say Bitcoin is shaky for the short term, but for the long term Bitcoin is always and always going to be up. It's not going to be down as anymore. Okay, you can say the Ethereum is also down, and the all major altcoins are super down. You can say the 15%, you can say 70%, 20% major drop. Okay, so you can take a partial entry on this. $10 invest, $20 you after that, $200, $1,000 you can invest. Okay, and you will get profit. Okay, so if this crash, you can invest $5,000 to $6,000 and you will earn profit. Okay, my subscribers can easily invest this amount and it can be earn profits. Okay, so have a look on this project, one of the best project, so many potential for the project in the future, because you can see this is we are the early invest. Okay, this project started like this. Okay, just quarter 30 31, it means very early. Okay, we are very early supporters, so you will definitely and we will definitely get profit from this project. So have a look on this project, and don't panic for the BTC drop, and let down subscribe the channel, let down the comment below what you think about this project and my opinion. So